I'm the Genius Asian. Welcome to the Genius family. The smoke from California fire caused air purifiers to be sold out at many locations. Today I'm going to show you how you can use what you have or can probably still get to make your room air clean.
On your regular thermostat, turn the fan setting on. Your central air filter should keep drawing air through its filter or filters. Of course, if you have an air purifier, you can turn it on. To make a purifier, you need an air filter, the kind that's usually used with your heating or cooling system. You also need a fan. This kind of fan doesn't work with this filter though. So use a common, lightweight electric fan. I just put it on top of the filter. Pay attention to the arrow for airflow, and you can also use a pinwheel to verify that the air does indeed go through the filter. This fan is heavier, so I put the filter on top. You can add some weight if needed. You can also have the filter placed vertically. There is some gap here, so I'll use a jacket to plug the leakage. If you have to buy a fan, buy a box fan, because you can easily prevent air leaks. If you have to use this DIY filter system for long term, you can stack two filters together. The first filter in the airflow direction is a cheap one. You can replace it many times. The second filter is the expensive HEPA filter. You don't replace that often.
Share this with people who you know that need it. Leave your own genius tips in the comment section below. Don't forget, I'm the Genius Asian. Subscribe for more useful videos.